Today I'm going to show you a method you can use to make money online from 500 to 1000 naira every single day. Stick with me and let's get straight into it. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel we'll cover everything money making method and how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, subscribe and like this video, of course, and let's get straight into it. Now, I know that for those who have been on the channel for a while, I've covered NAIRA workers before, but hear me out. NAIRA workers, because NAIRA workers will pay you to perform simple and small tasks. That's just it. NAIRA workers is a micro working website where you can hire workers from all over to do simple tasks for you, and they'll get paid. So for this purpose, we want to do tasks for people. So basically what you do is you head over to the available jobs on your dashboard like this, available jobs, and once you click on the available jobs, from the available jobs you can see WhatsApp TV join, Instagram follow, WhatsApp join TV, WhatsApp job, forex trading WhatsApp. This one is just to join WhatsApp group Miratel, WhatsApp TV, Facebook like, drop a message, Telegram group, see, and so many more. WhatsApp TV, NAIRA Hub. There are so many jobs that people can do, but let me show you guys a secret tip. But before I show you that secret way to maximize your earnings, because these people now, imagine somebody does a job 30 naira and then the person just does 10 of this job. Let me pull up my calculator. So the person does 30 naira and does it 10 times in a day. That's 300 naira. But how about if you do a job of 100 naira and you do that 10 times? You're getting 1000 naira. So you can clearly see the difference. This is 300, which is a lot smaller, and this is 1000 naira. So we want to be on the higher end. So that's the secret I'm going to show you. Before we get into it, my link will be in the description. Go sign up on this website and you can start doing as little as just joining WhatsApp TV, and you see 8 naira, $7. You don't need to use these things. Just join, screenshot it, send proof, and you're good. You don't really need to be a part of it. You don't need, just to make money, and these are the ways that people are using to make money online. So don't dull yourself. Sign up now and let me show you the secret way people are using to maximize their profits. Over here you can see most recent highest paying. So this is where you want to head over to highest paying. Once you click on highest paying, it will refresh. L credit withdraw instant 1000 from app, 400 naira. If you scroll down, Palm Play new users only, 230 naira. Premise app for Abia State users only, 205 naira. Cheaper cash, 1000 naira sign up bonus plus 230 for new users only, 200 naira. And this is where people make the most money, because by the time you do 200 naira tax, if you do the calculation, if you can do a tax of 200 naira 10 times, that's 2000 naira in a day. If you can do 200 naira just 5 times, 200 naira just 5 times will give you 1k. So you do less for more money. This is where people are making the most money. So I just wanted to tell you. I'll also share a secret tip at the end of how people are making money as well. If you scroll, you see more. Palm Play sign up. Mara is paying so fast with massive benefits. Sign up today. Sign up for the Mara watch list. Mara is definitely trending, that's for sure. 1 minute sign up on Mara. Download OP app. Bonus 200 naira. See, this one is a 100 naira job. A lot of 100 naira job on here. Sign up on Lumia rewards. Facebook posts. Mara credits. Mara sign up. FCMB. More fire registration. Mara wallet, and so many more. It just keeps on going and going. So that's basically it. I would advise you guys, as soon as possible, as soon as you see this video, hop on this trend. The link to sign up will be in the description. And now for the secret method that people use, which I said I will show at the end. If you head over to your profile on this your menu bar here, head over to profile. Once it loads up, you can see it will show your details, and here you can see referral link. Again, you can see referral link. Once you, of course, you won't see my details, but what will be here will be yours. Once you scroll here, you see referral link. You click on copy. Now you can send this to your friends, your family, and once they sign up and do jobs, you also get paid. And you can imagine how much money you make. So it's crazy, the amount of money you can make, really. Because once people sign up, maybe friends, family, and you're all working, you can make about 2,000 naira daily. It's not too small. So hop on this as soon as possible. Sign up, link description.